We are so happy that you've joined us to celebrate the opening of this splendid new hospital. We broke ground only 2.5 short years ago. So to the amazing leadership team of Barnes-Jewish West County and the many, many team members and physicians who shared their passion, their expertise, and experience during the planning and design of this wonderful hospital, we want to thank each and every one of you for the countless hours you gave to this project. And I want to thank our patients and families who inspire us every day, and their caregivers, those at the bedsides, those behind the scenes, those who dedicate their lives for caring and for others. This magnificent new caring environment is for them and for future generations.
Light a candle for peace, light a candle for love, light a candle that shines all the way around the world.
This hospital's unique focus on surgical and medical procedures that require just a short inpatient stay was a driving force behind the commitment by the BJC board to allocate the capital resources to make today a reality.
I am so proud that Barnes-Jewish West County is committed to the Creve Coeur community, and I assure you that that commitment is shared in return.
This is an exciting time to be a staff physician at Barnes West County. This is an ultra-modern facility that will help us to provide improved care for our patients who trust us and choose us to come here, and now for many years to come in this new facility.
We have been on a journey to ensure that our culture, our care delivery, was excellent regardless of our 50-year-old building, which we love so much. Thank you. And we are immensely grateful that now the walls, equipment, offerings surrounding us will now match the quality care delivered daily.
3, 2,